My name is Bill Tehan. I'm the Division Manager of the City Distribution Division of the San Francisco Water Department under the umbrella of the SFPUC. In San Francisco, we have 1,250 miles of distribution main. There's 181,000 water meters. Our system is aging quickly. Our goal is to replace 15 miles of pipe within San Francisco every year, then we'll be able to replace it in a timely fashion. In response to the question, what happens in a general water main break? So we are notified by you, the public, either through 311 or a direct call to our dispatch. And from there, a first responder, i.e. a gateman, is sent out to investigate the situation. He determines the severity of it and our level of response. And then the crews are brought in with the equipment, and then we effect repairs. We only shut the water down if it's absolutely necessary. Depending on the severity of the break, sometimes we can fix it without shutting the water off, or we might be able to choke it down a little and make it easier for the crews. If the break is severe, then we're forced to shut the area down, and hence less water being wasted and less damage being done to the street. So that's what normally happens after a main break, and once repairs are done, the hole is backfilled, and then paving is restored by our private contractor within a week.